Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra got unboxed. Yes, first it was Galaxy S23 Ultra hands-on video, and now we get the unboxing video of the S23 Ultra ahead of time. Not only that, Galaxy S23 Ultra new camera samples are also out. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per new video leak, Galaxy S23 Ultra is unboxed. Now this is a retail version of the S23 Ultra, and this confirms every single thing regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Well, if you see the display on the S23 Ultra, it is much flatter than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the corners are much squared off compared to the S22 Ultra. Also, S23 Ultra looks a bit thicker than the S22 Ultra. Along with this, we get different lens design on the S23 Ultra. The lenses are bigger than what we have seen on the S22 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, are you guys okay with the new look of the Galaxy S23 Ultra? Flat display or curved display, which one would you prefer? We also get some amazing Galaxy S23 Ultra camera samples, and this shows what Galaxy S23 Ultra is capable of. As per new pictures, we get 1x, 3x, 10x and 30x zoom pictures on the S23 Ultra, where 3x and 10x zoom was shot on the Galaxy S23 Ultra telephoto lens, but the 30x zoom was shot with the 200 megapixel camera. And as per exynos, it is shown the Galaxy S23 Ultra 30x zoom is better than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we will see some big improvements in the cameras of S23 Ultra. Now thing to notice, these images were taken with the normal 12 megapixel mode, not 50 megapixel nor 200 megapixel, so the details will be less than expected. Still, these images are better than the S22 Ultra. Things didn't stop here, as S23 Ultra night photography is also out, and you guys should be surprised to see the results. As per new images, the new photos are much improved. S23 Ultra takes a better looking photo in a pitch black sky. For now, it is not confirmed if it is shot with the astrophotography mode or just a new night mode. But both ways, the images looks great, as night photography on the S23 Ultra improved a lot, and this is what we have seen in the leaked trailer of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung started reservation for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and you guys will going to get $50 Samsung credit if you reserve your device. The pre-order deals are also out, and you guys will going to get Buds Pro 2 and Watch 5 along with the S23 Ultra, which is amazing. If you guys want to see the zoom test of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Till then, peace out.